Chinese proverb: when someone shares something of value with you and you benefit from it, you have a moral obligation to share it with others. I am passing on to you what has been shared with me. According to Bruce Fife, North Dakota, author of The Healing Miracles of coconut oil is in essence a natural antibacterial, antiviral, antifungal, and antiprotozoal food. Coconut oil becomes a solid below 78 degrees Fahrenheit. In the solid state, coconut oil is called coconut butter. Coconut oil and coconut butter is actually the same thing. Coconut butter is a raw saturated fat that contains no cholesterol and does not elevate bad LDL cholesterol levels. Unlike other oil/butters, coconut butter is stable up to 170 degrees Fahrenheit. Dr. Pete recommends increasing one's coconut butter intake for women with hormone imbalances. Recommended daily intake: 1 to 4 tablespoons. Improves digestion. Provides quick energy. Improves insulin secretion, utilization of blood glucose. Relieves stress on the pancreas and enzyme systems of the body. Can be easily absorbed and utilized by those who have trouble digesting fats or who have gallbladder disease. Improves calcium and magnesium absorption for the development of strong bones and teeth. Aids in the absorption of minerals and fat-soluble vitamins. Is lower in calories than any other fat. Supports thyroid function. Supports and aids the immune system. Helps protect against disease-causing bacteria, viruses, yeast, fungi, and parasites. Is heart healthy, does not increase blood cholesterol or platelet stickiness. Does not create free radicals like other vegetable oils and is stable under cooking temperatures. Helps protect the body from free radical damage. Helps you to look and feel younger. Makes skin smooth and soft. Reduces the need for essential fatty acids. Does not deteriorate like polyunsaturated oils, so has a long shelf life. Storage. Coconut butter should be stored in a cool, dark area. It can be refrigerated after opening, but this is not required to ensure freshness, and the label usually suggests not to refrigerate. All butters and oils are light sensitive. They should be sealed in black containers to ensure no light penetrates the container and damages the oil. In a nutshell, no pun intended. These are just a few reasons why you should switch to eating coconut butter and not dairy butter or margarine. Most coconut butters are organic and do not contain remnants of vaccines like those found in milk taken from cows that had been injected with bacteria-killing vaccines. The dairy industry at the penning of this blog has no intention to stop these injections or the bovine growth hormone, RBGH. Source: Fats and Oils, Formulating and Processing for Applications, Richard D. O'Brien, 1998. Note: some margarines are no longer processed with hydrogenation. Finally, regarding margarine, it was originally manufactured to fatten turkeys. When it killed the turkeys, the people who had put all the money into the research wanted a payback, so they put their heads together to figure out what to do with this product to get their money back. It was a white substance with no food appeal, so they added the yellow coloring and sold it to people to use in place of butter. How do you like it? They have come out with some clever new flavorings. Do you know the difference between margarine and butter? 1. Both have approximately the same amount of calories. 2. Butter is slightly higher in saturated fats at 8 grams, compared to 5 grams for margarine. 3. Eating margarine can increase heart disease in women by 53% over eating the same amount of butter, according to a recent Harvard medical study. 4. Eating butter increases the absorption of many other nutrients in other foods. 5. Butter has many nutritional benefits where margarine has a few and only because they are added. 6. Butter tastes much better than margarine, and it can enhance the flavors of other foods. 7. Butter has been around for centuries where margarine has been around for less than 100 years. And now, back to margarine. 1. Very high in trans fatty acids. 2. Triples risk of coronary heart disease. 3. Increases total cholesterol and LDL, this is the bad cholesterol, and lowers HDL cholesterol, the good cholesterol. 4. Increases the risk of cancers up to 5 times. 5. Lowers quality of breast milk. 6. Decreases the immune response. 7. Decreases the insulin response. And, margarine is merely one molecule away from being plastic. And shares 27 ingredients with paint. These facts alone should be enough to have you avoid margarine for life and anything else that is hydrogenated. This means hydrogen is added, changing the molecular structure of the substance. Do your own experiment. Here you go. Purchase a tub of margarine and leave it open in your garage or shaded area. Within a couple of days, you will notice a couple of things. No flies, not even those pesky fruit flies will go near it. That should tell you something. It does not rot or smell differently because it has no nutritional value, nothing will grow on it. Even those teeny-weeny microorganisms will not find a home to grow. Why? Because it is nearly plastic. Would you melt your Tupperware and spread that on your toast? Give the multi-purpose coconut butter a try. Healthy never tasted so good. Health disclaimer http://www.mamavega.com. All information in this article is provided for your information only and may not be construed as medical advice or instruction. No action or inaction should be taken based solely on the contents of this information. Instead, readers should consult appropriate health professionals and conduct their own independent research on any matter relating to their health and well-being. The information and opinions expressed here are believed to be accurate, based on the best judgment and research available to the authors at this time, and readers who fail to consult with appropriate health authorities assume the risk of any injuries. Related articles. How to make coconut butter. The Kikna.com coconut raisin rice parfait and gluten-free discounts. According to Rachel.com, follow Craig, bad butter, good butter. Follow Craig.wordpress.com, coconut oil popcorn on the stovetop. Arielfoodlover.wordpress.com, the history of butter. LiberationWellnessBlog.com, coconut heaven. Skriley1123wo.wordpress.com.